Good afternoon everyone. We are from JKKN Matriculation Higher Secondary School.
Our team name is the Talent Group.
I am Shabnam Rashmi
and I am SK Ritika.
Today we are here to talk about a project that we have been working on. It's all about education and skill development.
That's right. Our problem statement is to design a low-cost Atal Tinkering Labs model or toolkit that comprises all the key segments of tinkering.
But why this problem? Well, we believe that providing a hands-on approach to learning, students can better understand the concepts they learn in their subject and find solutions for problems based on these concepts.
The Atal Tinkering Labs initiative by NITI Ayog aims to foster creativity and innovation among young students in India. However, there is a need in Atal Tinkering Labs initiative by aims to foster creativity and innovation among young students in India. However, there is a need of a low-cost Atal model or toolkit that covers all the key aspects of tinkering, including electronics, robotics, sensors, and Internet of Things.
There are existing solutions like Atal Tinkering Labs, powered by Tinkerly, which consists of 190 plus tools such as do-it-yourself kits, robotics, 3D printers, electrical and mechanical equipments and consumables.
But there's a gap in terms of cost effectiveness and accessibility. Our project endeavors to bridge these voids by creating a low-cost Atal toolkit.
We used a classic physics book Canva presentation and a basic STEM kit to gather data and test the effectiveness of the toolkit in helping students understand and apply the concepts they learn.
And now let's talk about our final solution, the Atal Toolkit. The kit helps students to learn the concepts in their subject and apply it in the concepts they learn.
But how does it work? Well, let's say you are learning gravity in your physics class. Our Atal Toolkit includes a simple pendulum experiment that you can set up and see the gravity in action.
Exactly. If you are learning about circuits, our kit includes the basic circuit board and components in it for you to learn and see how electricity flows.
So you see, our Atal Kit not only helps you to apply the concepts you learn in your class, but also apply these concepts on real world problems.
And that's our project. Hope you enjoyed learning about it as much as we enjoyed working on it.
Thanks for watching.